Today we're going to talk about how to improve the drainage of your store-bought containers, how to elevate it slightly, and also how to make sure that the soil has all the nutrients it needs in order for your plants or vegetables to thrive inside a container. Also, I wanted to get your opinion on the songs that I'm doing at the end of these videos. I was wondering if you guys appreciate that or if that's even necessary, because I could be doing a lot more videos and the song itself, it's a lot of work. So I was wondering what you guys think. If you're new, check out the songs. In the last two videos I have songs at the end. They're silly songs that I write and hope you enjoyed them. So let me know what you think in the comments and make sure you give the like and subscribe. Here we have our new container. It's made of concrete, and as you can see, it only has one drainage hole, and that's not going to be enough. What we're going to do is convert that one drainage hole into 13 drainage holes using a plastic container. So this is a recycled olive container. We're going to put it upside down, but it's too tall. If we put it here, as you can tell, the plant is going to sit too high. So we're going to cut the plastic container around there. With a sharp knife, make sure you wear gloves, we're going to cut the base here. It's okay if it's not totally straight, because that's actually going to help with the drainage. As you can see, when we set this down, there's little gaps in the bottom because of the imperfection. These gaps in the bottom are also going to help with the drainage. If you're putting a container like this directly on a slab, like I am, or on a tile, you want to elevate the container slightly. So we're going to use broken bricks to do that. That way the slab doesn't stop the drainage. Anything that has the same height and is flat will be perfect. We're going to break this up a little bit more. There we go. We're going to use these guys. So there's the pattern for the base. If you're going to use this on vegetables, on any kind of vegetable, you can't do this. I'll try not to use plastic. Maybe you use a clay container or something else, because you don't want anything that's toxic in your food. Since it's a plant, it's okay. Let's put the holes in. So one drainage hole becomes 13 drainage holes, smaller ones, and also water can escape from the base, from underneath. Let's put this in place, just like that, right in the center. I gotta take off my BJs. I didn't say I'd shave or comb my hair. We're gonna create a mini hugelkultur here. We're gonna put some wood here on the base. It will help with drainage, and it will slowly decompose and give these plants awesome nutrients. First we put the wood, then some mulch. Mulch, son, mulch. There we go. Now, we're gonna put our plant in. So we're gonna cut it on both sides, like so. We'll clean up later. Open it up. Okay, now we're gonna fill it up. I'm getting this from a compost pile. It's been there about 3 months. It's not fully prepared, but still nice enough looking. By the time I think the roots start to expand outward, we may already have the soil ready to go. I'm gonna put this back in the compost pile and use dirt to finish this off. The lighting's getting better. Peaky Blinders. When you watch enough Peaky Blinders, interestingly, you start to get the accent. Not that mine is any good, but has had an influence on me. Binging Peaky Blinders right now, my wife and I. But it's not affecting us in any way. We're still quite kind to each other. Haven't taken up life of crime just yet. Peaky Blinders. I said, cleanliness is godliness. Let my people go. Go down, Moses, down to Bethlehem. Hey, buddy. What's up, son? I love you, son. Yeah, you know how much I love you, son? That's right. Come here. Cleanliness is godliness. Let my people go. That's it, my son. Over here. All right. Good job, buddy. Strong looking at that day set. Peaky Blinders. Peaky. You know, Peaky Blinders does not sound so tough. You know, I want to say Peaky Blinders, but it's just not that intimidating. My favorite part. Come here, son. Go ahead. Grab it. You know what to do. That's right. The plant loves it. The plant's saying, thank you. I appreciate it much. I want to thank you for putting me in this spot. I'm from Texas. Came all the way down to Argentina to grow for y'all and make beautiful flowers. Thank you, son. It's not from Texas. So we finished with this one, and you can see that it is slightly above the ground. Good drainage. Now we have another one here on the other side. The container, also it's elevated slightly. I've already put in the drainage.
Ever so gently. Let's do this ever so gently.
Yeah. 50 compost, 50 soil, 50-50. Cool with that accent. Let's go.
Cleanliness is godliness. Let's not let people go.
All right. I think I'm done. Peaky Blinders. There comes a time in the life of every man when we must all return to a more civilized state.
I'll take my straw, see? I got a planter, I put it in the ground that did not have the drainage. They only added one miserable cheap hole.
Your milkshake, see?
Recycle a plastic bottle.
I suck it up.
Get good drainage, so there will be blood no more.
Drainage.
Here is my disclaimer. Hollywood never paid me for mentioning Peaky Blinders, so there will be blood in my video. No, I think Daniel Day-Lewis is a good actor. Sorry for those bad accents.
Peaky Blinders.
Terrible impressions.
I suck it up.
But then again,
Your milkshake.
I'm not sorry at all.
I put my straw in the ground, see?
Remember the power of Grayskull.
And Cringer.
Always had the power to stop this train wreck a long time ago. No, you've crossed the event horizon. There's no escaping. You're deep inside
This black hole.